There are just a million and one reasons why you may want to leave your current hosting. But whatever the reason is, one hosting I can sure recommend to you is 10web.io. Now the question is, why 10web.io? There are a million and one reasons why you should consider 10web.io. I don't want to bother you. You can Google it, you will see all those things there, but I will just give you a few reasons why you should. Number one on the list is because migrating to 10web.io is seamless. With a click of a button, you would have your website in some few minutes from your existing hosting to 10web.io. And that is exactly what I'll be showing you in this tutorial. Another reason why you want to consider 10web.io is for performance. If you are keen on your website performance, you want speed, you want good uptime, then 10web.io is highly recommended because 10web.io offers fast server speed, and they're able to do this because they use Google Cloud servers. When it's Google, then it's speed. Trust me, because Google loves speed. Another reason why you might want to consider 10web.io is their AI-powered website builder. Trust me, that tool is insane. With a prompt, you can create a brand new website, bespoke WordPress website, tailor-made, custom-made for your business. Another thing that will blow your mind about their AI is their integrated AI copywriting tool. With the help of Copilot, you can generate a copy for your website, you can generate blog articles, you can have an assistant beside you right there helping you with your website content creation. That's mind-blowing. Trust me. While I can go on and on talking about their backup and also their free migration service, I did mention that earlier that migrating your website is literally free. And I'm forgetting their AI tool that is able to help you literally clone any web page out there and then bring into WordPress. I have done lots of tutorials around that on this channel, and it's everywhere on YouTube. 10web AI tool literally will help you clone a website and bring it into their Elementor based page builder, and I think that's fantastic. So whether or not you have your website as a static file somewhere in HTML or built with a different content management system, and you are looking to change hosting, you're looking to change a content management system entirely into WordPress, this AI tool is able to do that for you. With a click of a button, it will clone your existing page into Elementor. How fantastic is that? So without further ado, I think I should not waste so much time. Let me take you to my screen where we can see exactly how to get started using 10web.io. So here is 10web.io. You can check the video description for you to see a link to 10web.io. It's an affiliate link. I will appreciate the support. As a matter of fact, you would also see a coupon code in the video description. It will give you an amazing discount if you want to check out. So in a way, it's a win-win for both of us. So using my link will qualify you for a 7-day free trial. So it means you can test out this tool literally for free and experiment with it. If you're okay with it, then you can start paying. So whatever works for you, whether you want to pay outrightly or you want to start for free, you can just use my link in the video description and get started. So let me take you to my dashboard right now and let me show you exactly how to get this done. So once you're here, you have 3 options for you to start with. So you can start by creating a website with AI, migrate your website, which I want to touch here, then create a blank website just in case you want to have more control. You don't want to use your AI, you want to build your own website. So I have done a lot of tutorials around creating website with AI on this channel. I can leave those links in the video description just in case you want to see how all of these things work, and also you can easily clone a website with this same AI. Let's try to see how we can migrate to 10web. And you can see that you have 2 options. You can use their one-click migration, or you can migrate if all you have is just a zip file of your backup and then your database. But for the sake of this tutorial, I want to show you how you can do their one-click migration. So once you come down here, you can see that you can just come here and click download. So this will download a plugin for you. I already have that downloaded. I don't want to download again. For this tutorial, I have a random demo WordPress website here. So I can come to the back end of that WordPress, and then I can come directly to plugins. I can add a new plugin, and then I can choose to upload the plugin. So if you download that plugin, you can then upload that plugin here. So let's install this plugin. Let's activate this, and automatically you can see that we are redirected to 10web. So you can see it's suggesting for us to use a subdomain. Let's use that. I can just call this dabs tutorial, call it whatever you want to call it, and then I can choose a server location for this, but whatever is there is fine. Then I can just migrate this website. You can still use your custom domain eventually. So the migration is on its way. So you just want to give this some few seconds to finish up. After about a minute, we have our website copied. Let's just explore and test this. So just like that, we now have our website here, and you can see, let's open this up. I have the same website right now on 10web, and I think this is beautiful. So you can scroll down. Everything has been well copied in just a minute. So we can come back to the dashboard here. You can get a free custom domain just in case you want to use another domain for your website. So if you come here, you can just come here and search for whatever domain you want to search for. Anything with dabs, whatever you want to type in here, maybe .com. You can just search and then you can claim it literally for free. So you can see this is available and I can get it for free. I can just hit get it, and that's it. So that's not everything. We can use our existing domain name. So if we come to our website, so from here we now have a dashboard where we can manage our website. So from here you can see that we can switch between a live environment to a staging environment. Whatever you want to do, and you can see a menu here for everything we can do to manage our website. So like I told you, white labels, you have backups, you have WordPress theme plugin, your hosting services, and from here you can also come to your domain section here. You can add a domain name from a domain list that you have. You can get a free domain like I showed you earlier, and then you can use an existing domain name. You can type in the domain name here. So like, for example, let me just say dabstoots.com, and then I can say add domain. And the next thing I want to do here is just to update my name servers. I can just come here, copy my name servers, and then go to my domain registrar, update my name servers. Alternatively, I can also use a DNS. I can come here, create an A name or a C name record for this domain name, and I update this. Once I update this, I can just hit the got it, and that's everything we need to do to add this domain name to 10web. So you can see the domain name has been added here, but it's saying not pointed, and I can make this primary for this website once it has been added here. And that's literally everything you need to do to migrate your website to 10web.io. Gone are the days where you need to pay a developer because you need to migrate your website, or you need hours of time downloading your website files, database, saving them up on your computer or on a cloud server, then migrating them to your hosting. It will take days for you to just literally migrate your website. But right now we can see here that with the click of a button, 10web.io makes it seamless to migrate your website. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead today and migrate your website to 10web, and I'm sure you'll be proud you did. And that's my time for this tutorial. If you find it useful, give me a thumbs up. If you have any issues whatsoever, as usual, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in another tutorial. Do not forget to subscribe so that you get notified when I upload new videos, and I'll see you again in another one. And until then, stay safe.